today we're going to talk about one of the special features of iMovie. This advanced property of iMovie will let you use a green screen to record a more interesting video. So let's go ahead and open our iMovie. So I had some questions earlier about the version of the iMovie I use. So we're going to check that out first. So I believe we can check it out on About iMovie here. The version I'm currently using is 10.0.4, which is fairly old by now. I believe there's a couple of versions after this, but the main concerns and main options are still the same. So I have checked it out, and I believe if you watch this video, you can still use it on any iMovie before, a little bit before this, and any iMovie version after this version. So you should be fine. So let's go ahead and create an event here. So I'm going to create a new event, and let's call it green screen tutorial. I guess I'm going to have to import some media. So the media that you're going to import is of course a video that has a green background, and we will see why and how it works, and also a background. So what I'm going to import is a video which I downloaded from YouTube, also a picture that I also downloaded from Google. So I have a picture and I have a video that is being recorded or created by using a green screen. So then the next thing we're going to do is to create a movie. So I'm gonna use no theme for it because this is just a tutorial. So let's go ahead and do that. I called it green tutorial. So what we have to do is maybe I give you a little explanation about what green and blue screens are. Simply what these features do are, you have a video and that has a background of a green screen or blue screen. So different designers using different programs might use different colors, but the most commonly used screens are green screen. And there's actually a reason behind it, and the reason is because after this stage we are going to erase all the green screen color that you see on your video and replace it by a picture that I downloaded from the Google, and you will see. And why do we choose green, or why most of the people, designers, choose green, is because how this program works is going to detect the green color of your video and is going to delete those colors and replace it by the picture that you like to replace it with. And usually with the videos and simply in this animation that I'm going to show you, or most of the videos that we take, green is a color that is being showed up on the screen less. In the case that your video has a lot of, the actual video that you want it to be showed has a lot of green colors in it, then you have to use a blue screen or red screen or any other color that your parts of the video that you want to be remained in the final video does not contain those colors. I guess if we when we go through this tutorial, we'll see how it works. Simply, I'm going to bring the picture that I downloaded from Google and place it with the main place of the video, and I'm going to extend it into maybe about 2 minutes, but because that's what the other video is. Okay. 1.8 minutes. And then as you can see, there's already some features in this video, so I'm going to cancel that feature. So I'm going to just go fit, so that means throughout the whole video the background is not going to change, as you can see. So this background is going to be the main background, and whatever I erase or whatever I leave from the main video that I took is going to be on top of this picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click all the video, the second video, and place it on top of this. Okay. In my last tutorial, which was showing how to put a picture on top of another picture, or a video on top of another video using iMovie, I use the same. We use the same strategy. So you put the video on top of another one. By the way, the top video that I downloaded, so I'm going to detach the volume because it's kind of distracting. I'm going to bring it a little lower, so because in this specific tutorial we don't need any music. So this I actually downloaded from a YouTube channel called Pixel Boom. I just downloaded from YouTube for the sake of this tutorial. So right now when I play this, I will see the video and no changes on it, and you will see that exactly the same video I downloaded from YouTube, so I haven't made any changes yet. So as you can see, the animation is on top of blue screen in this picture, and then on the next picture it's going to be over a green screen. And there's a reason actually there is green screens and blue screens, and we will see why. And then on the next picture it's going to be a light blue screen. Let's just quickly watch all of this. So there's a green screen here. I believe they're all mostly green or blue, so we can see everything here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop here, and okay, I'm going to try to split the clip here because actually not this one, and the first part of it we don't need because it doesn't have any blue or green, so it's going to start from here. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on the video that contains the green screen, and then I'm going to come to the first option in adjust. So I'm going to basically right click, you go to adjust, and then you go to the first option you have here, and then you choose the green or blue screen. When you hit green or blue screen, what is going to happen is that the program will detect every blue and green colors on your video that you're watching right now, and will replace it with the background that you provided underneath it. So let's see what's going to happen. When I hit this, all the green screen and blue screens are going to be deleted from the video, and the rest is going to remain. So if I play the video now, you can see that the green screens are gone, but the pictures are still there. Whatever it's not green is still there, and the background that I provided here is going to be the background of my video. This is a very useful feature of iMovie that is provided with the versions, I believe, from 9 and above. So you can use that in your video making. So the only thing you have to do is to make your recordings or anything that you're interested in a green background, and then you can replace it like this. The only problem that iMovie has is that it might not detect some colors. So as you can see, some of the colors are being detected very well. Like this part had a perfectly green screen, as you can see here, and it was all erased. But the parts that are having a blue color, this blue color seem to be not a good choice for using iMovie. Or the color that we're using here, it looks like it's giving it a blurry background to the whole video. Of course, you can play with the softness of the green screen and blue screen here, but my suggestion is to make the best green screen. So you can see that already with the dinosaur and the other wolf, the background is slightly different. So that would be the quality of the green screen that you choose. I think the best quality that we got was from this tiger and also from this soldier. So you can see that the quality of everything is so good. And then I can play maybe with the softness of the green screen to make it a little more, maybe here is the best, and you can see that how interesting this video could be. Okay, I'm guessing at the beginning the blue color didn't work. Yes, as I was saying, that some colors might not work. So before you do the recording, you might want to check the color of your screen and make sure that it works for iMovie. This is actually one of the disadvantages of iMovie. If you are interested in to use more color options, then you might have to jump into different programs, Adobe Premiere or any other video making projects. Why do we need to use any other colors than green screen? So as I was saying at the beginning, the green and blue screens are the most popular screens people use for these projects. But do we ever use a red screen or black screen or white screen? Yes, we do. And the reason for that is the way this program works is that it will detect. So let's go back to our original video. It will detect all the green colors of your original video and it will delete it. So if you, for example, if the soldier had let's say shirt on and the shirt was green, that part of the shirt will also be gone. So this means that if you have a character or if you're wearing something that has some green colors on it or a green hat, those parts are going to be actually deleted when you apply on green screen. So in that case, if you're wearing a green color, then you might have to use another color for your screen, which is red color. And unfortunately, if you use a red color or any other color than green, you cannot use iMovie. You have to upgrade yourself to Adobe Premiere. Okay, so the conclusion is that if you are ever going to use a video and you want to use the feature of green screen video, you have to make sure that in your clothes or the objects that you're holding in your actual video that you want to be shown, there's no color close or green, there's no green color or any color close to green, because obviously the program is not going to detect which part you like. The program only detects the green color and it will take it away. Okay, so you can see again here that what the program does is it will detect all the green colors and everything that is close to black or any other color, red, white, it will erase it as soon as you click on green screen. Okay, I hope this video helped you a little bit to get your start with your project with using green screen on iMovie. And as usual, please ask your questions, specific problems that you have on the comment section, and I'll be happy to help you with it. Until next time, I wish you luck. Thank you for watching.